Hello everyone! In today's video, let's take a closer look and review a set of ND filters from Freewell. If you want to make your photos and videos more interesting, add that cinematic motion blur, then this accessory is what you need. So this package in here comes with a set of 4 different filters in it and a protective case. So let's take a closer look at it now. So inside of the package there are 3 ND filters that should be used in different lighting conditions. Here we have ND8, 16 and 32. The general rule is that the higher the number, the stronger and darker the ND filter is. So what is exactly an ND filter and how does it work? So ND filters are like sunglasses to our camera. Basically, you reduce the amount of light that's coming through the lens of the camera into the sensor. In other words, to make it very simple, you just literally put a dark piece of glass on top of your lens to block out the sun. And the filters are commonly used to get that cinematic motion blur in photos and videos. Because of that, you get that sense of speed and motion, so it looks more natural. Now, if you don't use ND filters, every movement, every type of activity looks crystal clear. It doesn't look natural. It looks like as if frozen in time because there's no motion in it. Honestly, I simply love using ND filters whenever I take photos with my GoPro, because it helps me to show that movement in them. If I didn't use ND filters, the photos would look like as if I was standing still and there was no movement in it whatsoever. Freewell ND filters have to be mounted directly on the lens of your camera. But first, you have to remove the protective lens, otherwise it won't fit. In a way, it's good because you don't have to have that additional layer of glass just in front of your lens, which may affect the image quality. Freewell ND filters have exactly the same design as GoPro protective lens, and if you take a closer look at the inside of it, you can notice that there is this little O-ring, so it's gonna make your camera waterproof up to 10 meters. And you can always put your camera inside of a GoPro protective housing whenever you want to have that extra bit of protection for your camera. When you use ND filters while recording a video, it may affect Hypersmooth stabilization because you put that darker piece of glass in front of your lens. So what you need to do is simply try to make your camera as steady as only possible so your video is not shaky. Standard day pack also comes with a polarizing filter that's completely different from the rest. It basically does the same job as polarizing glasses, filtering out the unwanted light waves. A polarizing filter can help you remove all the glare and reflections from shiny surfaces, such as water, snow, and glass. Something like that cannot be done in post-production, and only a polarizing filter can help you achieve that. It can also help you increase color saturation so your video looks more saturated. The sky is more vibrant and darker as well. I did a separate video where I explain in details how a polarizing filter works, so if you want to take a look at it, you can watch it somewhere here. So Freewell ND Filter Standard Day Pack costs around $62, and you can find a link to this product in the description below. So these filters in here can help you get that cinematic look, and I think they are a great addition to every person who wants to highlight the speed element in their videos. So if you ride a motorbike, drive a car, or use any other type of transportation, then I think it's really useful, especially when you take photos. Alright guys, so I think that for today's video, that's it. Hopefully I managed to explain to you what ND filters are all about and whether or not this is something for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.